Hi Nick, nice to meet you in AD Exhibition 2023. Can you tell us about your company, what you do and what you offer to AD industry?
Of course, absolutely. Well, I'm Nick Stringer and I'm the Managing Director at Tank Consult, and I've been in the tank business for nearly 40 years. I've been designing, constructing concrete tanks since 1995, and over the years at different companies that I've run, we've constructed well over 1,500 concrete tanks. So this is in the UK. So there's actually no one constructed more concrete tanks in the UK than myself. Okay. And Tank Consult is my company, which has been around for nearly 10 years, and as a full design and build contracting company for the last 3. We're very busy in the utilities world at the moment, and we are now seeing that biogas is ready to start developing more. And we are here to offer the design and construction of concrete and steel, of course, but mainly in this industry, concrete tanks for biogas.
Where's the company based in the UK?
Yeah, we are a UK company, and we're based in Barnsley, South Yorkshire, and we've got a very experienced workforce on site and also in the office.
Right. How many? What areas you cover in the UK? Is it whole country?
Yeah, it's from Land's End to John O'Groats. Built many projects in the north of Scotland and many projects in the south and southwest of England before.
How big staff you have? Do you build tanks yourself, or you just design them and help?
No, we design and construct them. We've got steel formwork shuttering system. We're currently constructing tanks in the water industry, 35 metre diameter, 6 metre high. So in the biogas world, we can construct any size concrete tank that's required.
Are they precast or are they built right on site?
In-situ poured. So we have a panel formwork system that we own. We have very experienced guys who can build the concrete tanks that's been in this industry for the last 10-15 years. So we have a very experienced team. We are also capable to be the principal contractor should clients choose to choose us to help them along the journey.
Okay. Do you cover any areas in Europe? Do you help any Europe companies to get tanks sorted?
At the moment, we're not interested in going outside the UK. There's actually, plenty of
market.
We're busy enough in the UK, and we don't need to travel.
Perfect.
Excellent.
Any unique things within the company, what you can offer better than other competitors in the market?
Well, as I started with this discussion, I've been in tanks for nearly 40 years, so I have a whole wealth of experience and expertise in the design and construction of concrete tanks, and also the design, manufacture and installation of bolted steel.
Right, okay. So you kind of can do steel tanks as well?
Yes, we offer steel tanks. We design and manufacture our own stainless steel and epoxy coated.
In the UK?
Yeah, and we do import our glass coated steel tanks from outside the UK.
What is about lead times on the steel tanks? Say for 30 metre in diameter tank, 8 metres at height, what would be the lead times?
You're looking at sort of 8 to 10 weeks from approval of drawing for a steel tank, which is, it's industry standard. Yeah. But we offer stainless steel, strong, cost-effective, durable stainless steel option to 316.
It's definitely really quick because big companies, German companies who do build steel tanks, you might wait 12 months.
Well, yeah, you're talking, about one particular, very experienced German biogas tank company. Yeah. They build the really, the 10,000 cube tanks.
Yes.
Yeah, they've got a really full order book, and they're busy. We don't want to compete in that market. Yeah. We're happy to compete in the UK.
Main part of your concentration on the tanks is concrete, not steel.
At the moment, it's concrete because that's where we feel we have, the customers are kind of leaning to concrete anyway, whether it's precast or in situ. It generally comes down to a preference, but we feel that the in-situ has got more technical advantages than a precast.
And some investors who are thinking to build some tanks for themselves, they are capable to see some of your projects previously done?
Certainly not by Tank Consult, but certainly by me. I've got a whole reference log going back to 1995 of tanks that I've been involved in.
Okay, perfect.